King Arthur's gluten-free bread flour. It is a one-to-one substitute for making gluten-free bread. So it has everything in it that you need to make bread gluten-free. It does have instructions on the back on tips and tricks on how to bake with it. One of the things it says is that you may need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of additional liquid per cup of flour when you're swapping stuff out. It also says that doughs made with this gluten-free bread flour may rise about 50% faster. One thing to note on the ingredients is that the main ingredient is gluten-free wheat starch. So the gluten has been removed from the wheat, leaving just the starch. So it is gluten-free. The other ingredients in this are cornstarch, cellulose and psyllium fiber blend, sorghum flour, pea protein, xanthan gum, and enzymes. Of course, psyllium fiber blend as well as the xanthan gum are the binders in this flour because there's no gluten. I've made numerous things with it already. I've had really good luck. I've made a buttery bread. I have made an oatmeal bread. And I've also made hamburger rolls, and I have to say the hamburger rolls were delicious. They froze really well. So if you're looking at a gluten-free bread flour that actually has everything in it, because not all of them do, you might want to check out this King Arthur.